Violet, you're turning violet, Violet.
What are you talking about?
I've got another puzzle for you.
Today's the day.
Yep.
Taking Eddie to get him weighed. See how obese he is.
Weighed.
Or thin. You know. We're hoping he's on the thinner side. Not on the obeser side.
Go to the left. Alright, straight back. 2 feet. 1 feet. 10 inches. Maybe a little bit more. 6 inches. Yep, yep. A little bit more. You're up. You're right there. Looking good. Just back up. Yep. That's good.
Alright, it's a little overshot.
Good.
Thankfully, Justin works somewhere.
Undisclosed location.
Yeah, I won't say where. And definitely don't look at that truck. And don't look at all of these other trucks that have his company's name on them. Now, here we go.
This is just a truck. We are off and whoa 2440. That's a little more than I thought it was going to be.
And that's the tongue weight. So it wasn't too far off. 260 pounds.
I was in there with the 250-ish on a tongue weight.
But not the camper weight, huh?
No.
Well, I mean, if you think about it, all we're going to be putting in it, besides what's already in it, is basically blankets, clothes, and food.
That's true. It isn't a dry weight because we do have a lot of stuff in there already. We have plates. We have stuff underneath the bed storage.
Yeah. We have blankets in there already. Yeah.
So, yeah, it's definitely not a dry weight. So, a little heavier though.
Yeah.
But we probably got a couple 100 pounds of stuff in there. So, the overall dry weight's probably around 2,500 pounds.
Finn, what do you think about that? Okay, Justin's getting ready to paint the stripe on Eddie. Everything's taped off for the first side. Add a little splash of color. What's up, life partner?
Doing a little re-repair.
Oh, all right.
Yeah. The first coat we knew it's going to need some work, so now we're re-coating some of the areas where the paint didn't take off so well. And yeah, we're trying to match the red and the decal Eddie and put a couple stripes on each side. Yeah, give it a little blank. You know?
Cool. Cool. Like racing stripes?
Yeah, well,
As we race down the road,
we won't be racing.
getting 10 miles to the gallon.
Doing about 55, hopefully.
Yeah, if we can.
Yeah. We'll be in the ballpark. It won't be exact.
Huh.
Yeah. All right.
All right, do it.
Kind of went over a lot of the camper with the another coat of white paint because it needed it.
Yeah.
Get your friend.
I don't have any friends.
It's kind of a heavy coat. I wasn't expecting to go that heavy on, but oh boy.
What kind of parents are you? He's abandoned and neglected, staring out the door. Maya, do you consent? Because you might want to hide if you don't.
I mean, honestly, we're just minding our own business in our own yard
Maya
here.
wants a snack. Do you have a snack?
Did you?
What kind of
promise her a
snack are you hoping for?
I don't know. I'm hungry.
Sweet Tarts ropes?
Sure. Yeah, because she just, let's celebrate the no cavities at the dentist.
All right, they're on the
With
kitchen
Sweet
counter.
Tart ropes. Not
Yeah.
like me. I should get a sticker because I adulted. I went to the dentist. Where's
Thank
my
you.
sticker?
Good job.
What's he doing? Oh, looks pretty, Mr. B.
Huh. Thank you.
Set your dog free. Finn! Come on!
Oh, great. Oh, man. Yeah, now you're set him free. Now you better take him somewhere. Finn, what are we doing? We're taking our first camping trip with Eddie. That's what we're doing. First dinner camping on our first camping trip in Eddie. And to celebrate, we get these sodas every year when we go camping in Vermont, and it's the only place we've been able to find them. So we got a bunch of them last year and saved them for our first camping trip in Eddie. So how about some raspberry rhubarb bramble with our dinner?
Hallelujah.
Good morning. It is still morning, but only by a few minutes. And I just want to show you Eddie because I feel like every time I try to take some footage of Eddie, there's always stuff all over the counters and on the bed. And trust me, there's still stuff all over the counters and on the bed. But it's because we're camping and it's raining outside. So what better time than to show you around? So this is Eddie's front door. And standing in the doorway, you look into the kitchen. Right off to your right is the bathroom. Justin did a fantastic job on the bathroom. A friend of ours recommended the caulking stuff to use. I'm going to put a link to that in the description. It's kind of expensive, but it really sealed everything up pretty awesome. We have two places to hang the shower head, so depending on where you need to or want to stand, you can either have the shower head coming at you from here. This is also another place that you can mount the shower head. Coming back out into the kitchen from the bed. Everything just looks great. Just finished up breakfast, did some dishes. This is a single burner propane stove. When we decided not to keep a stove in here permanently affixed, we went with a Coleman tabletop one that takes the little propane canisters there. But we found out that the pressure that is used for the type of stove that we were using was not high enough pressure. Apparently, the propane connection for interior stoves
Strike that. Reverse it.
is a higher pressure than for the Coleman stoves. So Justin did some research, found this single burner propane stove, where we're going to use this. Mainly, this is what we're going to use this for in the morning. Countertop's great, but this cabinet is a lot of our first aid kit, different accessories and tools, plastic bags. The fridge is working great. It's not very big, but now that we've had breakfast, we can cram most of our stuff in it. And it is a 3-way fridge, so it works on propane, electric, and battery power, which is great. And this shelf, so we knew this was going to be for pots and pans, and some of our pans have big handles, so it's hard to have a shelf. And it was even hard to organize them. So Justin did this. This is what we did in our kitchen at home. He got this shelf, and it's a pull-out shelf. So that makes getting at pots and pans a whole lot easier. And this is our silverware drawer. Fits perfect. This is table during day mode, bed during day mode. So at night we take this piece and put it down here, and then we actually use this to join everything together. We got this just to put stuff, bedding or whatever. Not sold on whether or not we're keeping it, but it's working for now. That's it. It's everything we need in a camper. Nothing we don't. We know that we've probably put $2,000 into it and paid $3,000 for it. So all in, we're definitely over $5,000. But I'd rather have $5,000 for something I want than $5,000 for something that I've got to kind of tolerate. If we had found something and it had features we didn't really want or need, we probably would have gone with it. But this has exactly what we need. It's got one bed. That's all we need. It's got a kitchen and it's got a bathroom. And we've really been able to deck it out in a way that we like. And it's been a lot of work. Justin's done 95% of the physical labor. We're very pleased. It's always going to need a little tweaking in different places as we think about the things that we need or want. We're super happy to have Eddie, and we're super grateful. Thanks for following along.